Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable or disable always on display feature on Apple Watch SE 3. First, open the app library by pressing the digital crown once, then find the settings application and open it. Now in settings you have to scroll down to display and brightness menu and then open it too. Now scroll down until you find the always on feature, and now to turn it off, tap on it and switch this toggle to the left. This will disable the always on display feature on your Apple Watch. To re-enable it, switch the toggle to the right. If you re-enable it, you'll be also able to change some settings of always on feature by tapping the one of these options and enabling or disabling it. And that's basically how you do that. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.